Good morning, guys. In front of me is MatePad 11.5 from 2025, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So at first, open your camera app. Now go to video mode, and here on the left side you will notice the FPS and also the video quality. Just pick the one that you want to record in. And also, if you wish to change FPS, actually here it's not possible. Okay, so it's just the tab and there's no option to change it. So in both options and both resolutions, you've got 30 FPS, but still here you can switch between two options. So that's it. Just record then the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.